I got big bread, watch me bake a large cake. Shoot, it's a throwaway, caught her on the interstate. We some rich Vikings, still fuck us on minimum wage. Shoot, put a white paddock on the black bitch, true facts. Real Viking fucker, they gon' eat her kids from snacks.
Hey, Meta, record video. We outside, yo. We outside. Y'all see. Setting up. Got the salmon over there. Got the salmon. Got the steak over here. Hey, what up? We outside. Hey. You see it? Hold up. What's that in the background?
That's the club.
Oh, a club? A club? Not the club. Y'all see the grills going? Y'all see the foil? I could have caught that too, and I didn't. Y'all see what's going on? You see the unload? You see the unload? Oh, what's in here? We got the ice? Oh yeah, alright. Y'all see the setup? Come on, we getting ready. Nah, not taking the chances. We ain't trying to pull something today. Nah, ain't no point. We trying to chill.
I was gonna gut it out, but I'm like, nah, I ain't about
like
that.
this. What's that? That's the burgers. That's the chicken. The kebab. Oh yeah, alright. Burgers, chicken, kebabs. Sheesh. Oh yeah, more. Man, that shit look. Oh, that right there. Flip on them. Look at that color. Y'all can't
these
even.
came off the grill?
Y'all could probably smell it through the camera.
Yo, Meta, what that smell like, Meta?
Smell like good eats. That's what I just said. That color off the grill. Come on now. Meta and video.
Tired of this shit.
Hey,
In
Meta.
this video, better.
Tossing them hoes up, huh?
With a full of AR piece and on the camera. Oh, you think you got more shot than CG? Come and try your luck. You ain't never bought a queen or no grenade.
We got a little brush too. We got the little brush. It's like painting. We painting them bitches. Look at that. Yeah. Get them in there. Look at that. Marinated and saucy. Come on. Y'all see the table. You feel me? You see the table. All sizes, all colors. Got the chestnut checkers joints. Those are the exclusive BFF test shirts. You don't know nothing about the old shit. Yeah, y'all know nothing about the old shit. Green. Hold up. What y'all know about that? The haters shirts. Feel me? Y'all see this, right? Y'all see these? Y'all better see the first person.
This is the
me
realest
trying,
shit
you
when
feel
the
me?
chicken got a crunch off the grill.
I'm gonna go to Walmart for y'all for some cups.
Walmart? Why you want to go to Walmart?
Damn, that shit is crispy. Yo, these shits is gas. Wow.
Not that far, you just go to the back way.
Wow. I'm about to fuck these up. I need to get some more steak too. Alright, let's get it. No spill, no spill.
No spillage.
So no spill.
Pop that dollar.
No
No spillage.
spill.
Tilt it, tilt it. There you go. No suds either. There you
No
go.
spill, no spill, huh?
Get it all out of there.
Woo! Woo! Alright. And got a whole nother one too.
Cheers. Love you, kiddo.
Another two.